Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one is really slowing down here, but it's also, you just got to keep an eye on these IPOs that, make a big move, have all sorts of volume, all sorts of people talking about it, and then seemingly kind of just go quiet. And I say seemingly because, all of a sudden, sometimes those things just snap back into action again. No, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I'm not saying that. And for sure, next week, this thing is going to snap back and everything. I'm not saying that, but it's at least worth keeping an eye on because, yeah, it continues to drift downwards. But, with today's price movement, the price essentially just went sideways. I mean, stuck within this range here. So what I'm going to do is just adjust a couple levels here and, kind of point out some interesting levels that myself and I think a lot of other traders are going to be watching. So I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this same level. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. And like I said, that's what I think we have with a couple of these areas. So the first level a lot of people are going to be watching is just right down there at the $8.90 mark for no fancy reasoning other than the fact that that's just where the price stopped bleeding today. There's that gap down, and then after the gap down, that's where as low as it went, and then that's where it just went into acting and, going into that sideways motion. So that's going to be a level that a lot of people are curious about. But the main level that I'm very, very curious about, and you're going to have all sorts of breakout players watching this area, is right up there at $9.30. $9.30 is that level that pretty much kept the price in check today the entire day. So keep a very close eye on that because if 930 can be broken, then no such thing as a guarantee, but you got to think 975 becomes, an in-play level that the price has a solid chance of at least going up there and doing battle with. So from a trading standpoint, definitely some opportunity out there, but I'm going to be watching this one and let's see how it all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.